there, it's Ashley from WTI. It can be so hard to find a great foundation, but Maybelline has done it again with their Dream Radiant Liquid Hydrating Foundation. This has hyaluronic acid and collagen, and I got the color Nude Beige, but I actually picked up a couple of these because what I like to do is mix them up. I use it also as a contour or a bronzer, the darker shades, and then I mix it in with the lighter shades in case I'm out in the sun a little bit. I always have a variety and I can control it myself. The Nude Beige matches my skin perfectly. I really like the way this goes on. It glides on so smooth. It's almost like a tinted moisturizer. It gives 12 hours of continuous hydration. It improves the look of your skin. It has medium coverage and it has a really nice glowy radiant finish. I also like that it doesn't clog pores. And so if you're looking for a fantastic foundation that's going to last you all day and blend really nice, then I highly recommend this one, but that's just my point of view.